I've harvested my sorrel, now what?
Ready?
This is how I prepped my sorrel for use. First, I removed the Roselle calyces from the branches. Whichever way you plan to use your sorrel, you need to deseed them. I peeled off the outer layer, leaving the seed. But I found I wasted a lot of it this way, and my fingers got tired real fast.
You will see that it will stain your fingers, so you can use gloves if you want to.
I prefer to cut the base and then use a blunt object to push through and remove the seed. I could have used a seed remover, but I don't have one, so a chopstick it is. To make it even easier, after I cut the base, I slit the side and peeled it off. Now, I checked for pests and thoroughly washed the sorrel.
Okay, so let's wash with some, remember to get inside of each. So you want to make sure you open it out with some cold water. Make sure that everything is rinsed out thoroughly. Yeah, right. We don't want to eat any bugs. Alright, so let me catch you back when I'm done because you need both hands.
How do you remove your sorrel? Well, let me know in the comments below. If you plan to use your sorrel fresh, great. Like and subscribe for more. If you plan to dry them for future use, this is what I did. After deseeding and washing, I pat them dry and spaced them out. I put them in an area with good ventilation and indirect sunlight. They will start to look dehydrated. I knew they were fully dry when they felt hard to the touch. They felt like chips and crackled when squeezed.
It should be crunchy.
I stored mine in a Ziploc bag, but you can store yours in an airtight container. I'm gonna make some Jamaican sorrel drink with these. I'd love to know how you usually use your sorrel. Comment below and let me know. Check out this video to grow your own sorrel from seed to harvest. Subscribe for more. Later.